welcome to Prudent Media News. First a look at the headlines. Vehicles from Karwar, Sindudurgh, Kolhapur, Belguam will be exempted from entry tax till pass system is introduced. Neither shortage of vegetables nor price rise, claims the government. Demand for rollback of entry tax rises. Congress UGDP demand rollback. Some horticulture outlets report shortage. BJP stays firm. Mining dependents leave for Delhi to agitate at Jantar Mantar. More than 1,000 people to hold dharna on 25th and 26th April. High Court imposes an interim stay on animal slaughter at Goa Meat Complex. Order following a plea by NGOs against illegal killing of underage animals. Special Olympics, Bharat set to take part in Asia Pacific Games in Australia. Footballers get Australian boost ahead of World preliminaries. Now the news in detail. Vehicles from Karwar, Sindudurgh, Kolhapur, Belguam will be exempted from entry tax till the pass system is introduced. This assurance has come from Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. He has also made it clear that the government will not bow down to any threat from different lobbies in other states. Parrikar also cleared that entry tax is not illegal. Chief Minister was replying to the opposition's demand to scrap the entry tax.
This entry tax is constitutionally violating the provisions of the constitution. Artificial shortage करता जर जाय जाल्यार तांचेर कशे निर्बंध हाडटले.
I have taken proper legal advice before we have issued the notification. Notification is issued. Price rise absolutely काही एक जाल्ली ना. There is an attempt by certain sections. हांवेन बाजारान चेक केलो 15 दीस ते 22 दिसाचे cereals, sugar, दाळी हाजो कमीत कमी 15 ते 22 दिसाचो स्टॉक उपलब्ध आहा. रस्त्यार खंयचीच गाडयो आडायल्यो वच्च्यो ना हाजे आमी एश्युरन्स बिकॉज इट इज अ फेडरल कंट्री. वी हॅड अ डिस्कशन विथ चीफ सेक्रेटरी, ट्रांसपोर्ट सेक्रेटरी ऑफ महाराष्ट्र, कर्नाटका, एंड दे हॅव ऑल एश्युअर्ड अस. आतां कोणाक जर तूं स्वताहूनच हाडपाची ना गाडी, इट इज अ डेमोक्रेटीक कंट्री, हाडून येत ताणें, म्हाका कांय ऑब्जेक्शन ना हाजेर. इनफॅक्ट दीस मेक्स मी थिंक that we should have more centers for vegetable and other items developed, including Goa itself. मादयचेर अडवणूक, विरडीचेर अडवणूक, तिळारीचेर अडवणूक, आनी आतां भाज्यो आनी हे धाडचे ना. तुमकां कितें रेस्पेद आळ्ळे ना. इट इज अ क्वेश्चन ऑफ बेजीक ब्लॅकमेलिंग ऑफ द स्टेट. हांव बाजारान वचून आयलो, सगळे दुकानां तुडुंब आहा, रेट देंवल्यात. कोणाक जर तूं मेळना भाजी जाल्यार तांच्यांनी गोवा स्टेट हॉर्टिकल्चर कॉर्पोरेशनच्या हाजेर येवचे दोबरात सप्लाय वाडयला. गाडयो कमी जावन ना बॅन केल्या मुळे, गाडयो वाडल्या. बाजूच्या तालुक्यांनी जे पळय गोंयाक बॉर्डरीचेर जे आमकां इकॉनॉमीक इंट्रस्ट आहा, दे कॅन हॅव पासीस. आय एम ओनली एश्युरिंग वन थिंग, इफ देर आर डिफिकल्टीज आय एम रेडी टू सॉल्व देम. एंड एज फार एज शॉर्ट सप्लाय इज कन्सर्न, indicate to me, we will make arrangement of getting material from anywhere in the country. Verbal instructions are already at the checkpoint not to collect tax from neighboring vehicles, and they are already entering Goa without payment of any tax.
Demand for rollback of entry tax is on the rise in the state. Congress and UGDP have criticized the BJP government over introduction of entry tax and the following chaos. Some horticulture outlets have reported a shortage of vegetables. However, BJP state unit has warned the traders against vegetable hoarding in the state. Sawantwadi MLA and NCP desk in charge Deepak Kesarkar said, first provide good infrastructure and then levy tax.
We welcome the entry tax. What I have suggested is that you can have toll. Instead of entry tax, you can have toll on the roads that you intend to do. Like you want to 4-lane the road coming from Patra Devi up to Pandi. But that is not yet done. Once it is done, then you can have the toll. Once it is done, because the basic need of the time is to develop the infrastructure. You cannot just compensate by creating an entry tax your other revenues.
Congress MLA Vishwajit Rane criticized BJP-led government for artificial inflation in the market. He reiterated demand to roll back entry tax.
भाजी बी हाडटा 25 ते 30% वाढ जाल्ली आसा. हे भारतीय जनता पार्टी लोकांक दिशाभूल करता. ह्या तरेचे निर्णय घेता की ते लोकांक त्रास जावचे ह्या तरेचे निर्णय घेता. मायनिंग बंद करून अवॉर्ड घेवपी हेच सरकार. एंड आयज ह्या तरेचे एंट्री टॅक्स घालून लोकांक फोंडार व्हेल्ले आसा. एंड म्हाका तरी दिसता लोकांनी हेचो पूर्णपणे विरोध करचो. काँग्रेसचो हात आसपाचो प्रश्नच ना. हे सरकार काँग्रेसान विरोध केल्लो आसा ह्या निर्णयाक. आमी कित्याक विरोध करता? कित्याक गोंयान भाजी त्या तरेचे प्रोडक्शन जायना. आमचो संबंध कसलोच ना. काँग्रेस पक्ष विरोध करता ह्या एंट्री टॅक्साचो, कारण ऑटोमॅटिकली आर्टिफिशियल इन्फ्लेशन जाता.
UGTP leader Advocate Radharao Graces has demanded complete scrapping of entry tax. Radharao pointed out that government cannot compensate loss of revenue incurred due to waiver on petroleum VAT by introducing entry tax and other kind of taxes.
It could have, first it is illegal and it could have repercussions. The other states may also start imposing taxes, and that would also mean that when our people travel out, we'll have to pay. So this tax is uncalled for. If the government has made a faux pas, if the government has made mistake in its earlier decision to reduce tax on petrol by 7 rupees, and the government doesn't find itself in a financially strong position, it cannot go on imposing taxes like this. So our request to the government is to immediately scrap the taxes.
Bharatiya Janata Party's Goa unit warned the traders against vegetable hoarding in the state. Sangha MLA Subhash Fardesai said that shortage of vegetable is artificial and government will act against such traders.
गोंय सरकार केन्नाच अशें डगमगचें ना की निर्णय घेतना, कारण आमकां खबर आसा खंयच्यान अवाक जातली, खंयच्यान आमकां माल येतलो आनी आमी कितल्या प्रमाणान परत ते दिवपाक शकतले. गव्हर्नमेंट इज ट्रायंग टू लोकेट ऑल दोज प्लेसेस वेरीन आर्टिफिशियल शॉर्टेज इज क्रिएटेड. गव्हर्नमेंट इज इन द प्रोसेस. इफ I disclose right away, we will not be able to nab and trap that.
Action against hoarders, people are hoarding vegetables and other stuff.
Of course, government will take action against them.
Meanwhile, horticulture outlets in state are facing shortage. On Monday, outlets did not receive vegetables from the corporation.
आज भाजी येवंक ना.
आज ना, काल येल्ली आनी कालचो स्टॉक आमी आज घेतला मागीर.
ओके, आता भाजी तुमच्या कडेन ना?
आता सध्या ना.
हॉर्टिकल्चरचे गाडयो वचोंक नासले?
तितकी आयडिया ना, म्हटल्यार आमची काय हांगासर आज येवंक ना.
आनी रेट कसो आहा भाजयेचो? ओके, वाडला?
सध्या बीन्स वाडलेले आहा आनी कांदे देंवले.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Goa Mining People's Front will leave for Delhi on Monday at midnight to protest at Jantar Mantar on 25th and 26th April. Mining dependents and truck owners, barge owners and machine owners will be meeting Finance Minister P. Chidambaram and will put forth their grievances. They will highlight the crisis faced by them post the mining ban.
आमची परिस्थिती सध्या बिकट जालेली आसा. ताका लागून आमी 25-26 तारखेक दिल्ली वचपा आसा धरणं धरपा लागून. ते एक धरण ते आमकां सेंटरार तांकां दाखोवपा लागून आमची जे फायनान्शियल पोजिशन आसा ते सामकें वीक जालेली आसा. ताका लागून आनी त्याच बरोबर आमकां फायनान्स मिनिस्टराक आमी मेळपाचें आसा. आनी दिल्लीक थोडे अधिकारी जे आसा, राजकीय अधिकारी हे जे आसा तांकांय आमी हांगा मेळटाले. आमचे जे आसा घराणी तेंचे मुखार आमी मांडटाले. आमी इतले आतां दिल्ली जे लेडेन आसा ते इतली आमी मायनींग डिपेंडंट आसा आनी आमची फाटल्यान हेज्यांनी चड एका घरांक 5-6 जाणां अशी इतली फॅमिली सामकी डिपेंडंट आसा ते मायनींग. आनी हें दाखोवपा खातीर आमी दिल्ली लेडेन आसा.
गोवा मायनींग पीपल फ्रंटाचे वतीन आमी दिल्ली जंतर मंतराचेर 25 आनी 26 ह्या दिसा धरणे धरपा खातीर वचपाचें आसा. त्या मदीं आमी फायनान्स मिनिस्टराची भेट घेवपाची आसा आमच्या MP श्री सार्दिना मार्फत. तशेंच आमी आनी कोणी जे लिडर आमकां अपोजिशन रुलिंगाचे कोण मेळटले तांचे बी आमी भेट घेवपाची आसा. आनी आमच्यो ह्यो पळय ट्रक मालकाच्यो, मशीन मालकाच्यो आनी बार्ज मालकाच्यो आनी ते रिलेटेड जे कोण मायनींग रिलेटेड जे कोण आसा तेंच्यो बी आमी समस्या तेंचे मुखार दवरपाची आसा. हेजे खातीर आमी दिल्लीक आमी धडक दिवपाची थारायलें.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.